sorry for putting up a vlog or starting up a vlog with this hair, but welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CG, and today's vlog I'm gonna be showing you how to transform your hair from this and to this. Well guys, please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button down below and hit on your bell so that when I get a post you'll be the first to view it. I love you guys, and kindly follow me on the gram at CG_01. Let's see this tutorial. Bye. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna be needing is a pair of combs. Needing this comb and this one, kind of big comb in your house. You can make use of them. I'm gonna try to comb out this hair. I have not combed this hair for like 4 days now, so I'm gonna try to comb out the hair styling. All right. Jesus. Yeah, Jesus. Jesus. This is. I don't know who say me walk. Come with me. So next thing we're going to be using is this comb. We're going to be using to divide the hair into 2 parts. And I'm not really a good hairstylist, just trying to share a little idea I think would be good or would be better for you guys. I'll show you how easy it was for me. I might not be able to cut out the line properly, but I want you to. I don't even know what I'm cutting.
I don't really know what I'm cutting
per se, but the main essence of this is to divide your hair, splitting your hair into 2. Next thing we need to do is don't forget we have to bring out some outside like this, some outside like this, about something like this. We're gonna be making use of this activator moisturizer gel. This is what we're going to be making use of to help soften the hair. That was what made the hair to relax properly at the front. Apply a little at the tip and just do a twist. So watch and see magic. Just
I'm trying so hard to. I'm not really a good stylist though. I don't make hair, but I try it.
I can. I'm going to repeat the same thing. Sleep a little. So we've gotten the first part. Let's move on to what we need to do next. Show you the little secrets. Okay, so stay tuned. Do like making use of this wool thread because it doesn't cut my hair, and even if I try to pull it out, I could just drag it out and cut it and always go back to take another strand. But then you can use any color. It depends on what you want. I don't really like using sewing thread because it tends to be very hard when you want to remove it from your head. Your hair can wrap around it, but then it's quite easy because you can just pick it out, and I'm gonna cut out little from it. So sure, this is what I did. A long strand of the wool from this side. Make sure you're taking out the edges of your hair, that your hair will look smooth. Then carefully drag it in. Okay, so what I'm doing, bro, I just pray well. Okay, keep dragging. You have to keep dragging. All right, so this is what is gonna now's hair. So this is it, one. So let's go to the next side. Cut out another one. So this is the next strand I'm going to be using for this other side. So carefully take it down. Voila, we're done. So you could just add a little of this. The front side can get waxed properly here. If you don't want to put this, don't bother bringing it out. I don't have edge control. I could have used a couple of edge control to the edges. My edge control just got finished. So this is how it looks. It's just pretty. Then finish everything up. Add a wall, lip gloss. All right, that's all you have to do. You don't need to bring a lot of things. You can just go out. You know what I'm saying? Just go out. Isn't it lovely?